So inside the option, I'm going to paste it, and then if the order status is equal to not paid, then I'm going to say here echo selected, and we do the same exact thing. I'm going to copy the same code now, and then we need to paste it in every single option. Here, this option, we need to say order status is equal to paid. If it's equal to paid, the paid would be selected. If it's equal to shipped, shipped would be selected. Here, shipped. And lastly, delivered. Here, delivered. And that's it. Now we are good to go. The only thing this form, we need to add a method and action. So I'm going to remove this ink type, and then I'm going to say method. The method is going to be post, and the action is just going to be the same page. I'm going to say edit underscore order.php, and the status name is status, and that's it. Now at the top, we need to say else if, and then is set post, and then edit edit order. Let me check the button name. So the button here at the bottom, it has edit order. So I'm going to say here, if we want to edit the order, then let me copy the code from the edit product, because it's going to be similar. So I'm going to copy this code, actually. This line, these lines. And then I'm going to paste them in the edit order here. And we need to edit a few things. Let me first push this. First, we need to get the order status. So I'm going to say order underscore status. So the order status is going to be equal to post order underscore. Let me check the name. So the name was status, just status. And we also need the order ID. So the order ID is here. Let me create a hidden. Let me here create a hidden input. I'm going to say input, and then type is hidden. Type is equal to hidden, and name is equal to order ID, and value is equal to PHP, and then R echo R order ID, order underscore ID. And in order not to confuse you, I'm gonna say here the name is order status instead of status, just order status. So at the top now, what we need to do is that we need to say order underscore status, and then order ID, order underscore ID, and then post is equal to post order ID, order underscore ID. And then I'm going to say here statement con prepare update orders set order underscore status is equal to question mark, and then I'm going to remove all of these where order ID is equal to question mark, order ID is equal to question mark. And then I'm going to say statement bind param, and then si, and then we pass two parameters. We don't need all of these. We only need two parameters. We need to pass the order status and the order ID. Order status and order ID. And here we just say, in case of success, we say index.php, and then order updated is equal to order has been updated successfully, order, and then in case of error, I'm going to say order not updated, or order updated, order failed. Let's say order failed. That's it. Now we are good to go. I'm gonna add here else. I'm just gonna say header, and then location, index.php, and exit. Just like here, just like the edit product. And now we are good to go, and we can now test. This, and in the index we can display the messages. If you want to display the messages above here, actually here, below this you can display the messages. So I'm gonna get the messages from the products. If you open up the products here, you will find the messages. So we have two messages, one for success and one for failure. I'm going to copy them, and then I'm going to paste them in the index just below the table. So we have here in the index above the table, I'm going to paste them, and then the success is order underscore updated, and here order underscore updated. In case of failure, we just say order failed, and here order failed, and here make sure that the key is correct, order updated. That's it. Now here I think we have a problem here. Here we need to close the, remember I opened the for each, but I forgot to close the for each. So this is a big problem. We need to fix it quickly. We need to say here PHP and then close the curly bracket, and we are good to go. Now let me head on over to the browser and test. So I'm going to go back to the orders, and let me refresh the orders. Let me click on edit. If I click on edit, let me change. First we have an error in line 84. So in line 84, if I go to line 84, it says here line 84, this echo order price. So we have here a problem. The problem says undefined index order price. So the reason I think is because the key in the database was order cost, not order price, order cost. Now it should be fixed. Let me refresh, and as you can see, the error is gone. So here I'm gonna display the order ID and the order price, and then the status. You can change the status. So for example, let me go back to show you the process from the beginning. Suppose that you want to edit the paid here. Suppose that you have shipped the product, and you want to you ship the product, and the product is on its way to the customer. You can here click on edit. And then you can here edit the status from paid to shipped, and then you can click on edit, and as you can see, the status has been updated. And once user or customer, here I have another problem. Let me finish this, and then I'm gonna fix this problem. Here shipped. Once customer receives the order, you can click on edit and then update this one more time to delivered, and then click on edit, and then it will update it. Here we have a problem, undefined index order updated. So in line 95, again in line 95, I should say here, this order status order updated, not in this file, actually in index. So in the index line 95, here I should say order underscore updated. So let me try one more time. Let me here refresh, and let me edit, for example, this one. I'm gonna click on edit, and I'm gonna say shipped, and I'm gonna click on edit, and as you can see, it has been updated. And by the way, you should be careful with this, because you cannot just change the order after it has been delivered. You cannot go from delivered to not paid. Once the order has been delivered, it's over. You cannot change it. If you do this, you are going to mess with your system. But since you are the admin, and since people who are going to work with you are admins, they should know this. You shouldn't go back. You shouldn't go back and forth. The process only is it goes forward, not backward.